Hey Fash Fam, I'm Chelsea and I'm back with another challenge of the week. But before we get started, we got a huge announcement. We're doing something a little different this Get One Give One cycle. We're launching a virtual college giveaway to support the college students as y'all head back to school. Check out the link in our bio for more information. All right, let's get into this week's challenge. Learn to love your time alone and to really enjoy and celebrate it. There is nothing more empowering and liberating than me time. When was the last time you spent time alone? And I mean alone. No obligations, no distractions, no people, just you. For this challenge, I'll be sharing why alone time is important, some suggestions on how you can spend alone time, and some tips on how you can make sure your alone time is quality time. First, I just want to say I can only speak to my experience, so I hope what I share helps you in some way. Why is alone time important? Alone time creates a space for you to truly focus on yourself and reflect. And through that reflection, you get to know yourself, celebrate yourself, get some recovery emotionally, mentally, spiritually, and ultimately you just have a nice break from life. So what can you do to spend some alone time? You can do anything. It's just anything you love, like walking your dog, talking to your dog, going to the beach, going shopping, running, sleeping, watching your favorite TV shows, anything that brings you joy. And lastly, how can you ensure you are spending quality alone time? Number one, I always do this, I plan for it. So next weekend, I am cutting off all contact to me. I will have no responsibilities. I will have no obligations to anyone. It'll just be a day or two just for me. Number two, be intentional. What do I want to get out of this alone time? Do I just want to relax, take a breather? Do I want to find my purpose? Do I want to create? And it could be any of those things. Number three, based on those intentions that you set, prepare your space. Me time is sacred, so should your space be. Say that 5 times fast. I can't. And lastly, allow yourself to feel all the feelings. Cry, laugh, scream, get frustrated, do it all. You know, sometimes we're so busy that we are unaware of the feelings or any emotions that we're harboring. So alone time is a great time to release anything that's blocking you from being your best you. A few more things I would like to leave you with. It's okay to put yourself first sometimes. We are all unique individuals who have something to contribute to the world. And the only way we could do that is if we take care of ourselves. So I hope you get some quality me time in this week and for the rest of your life, because the world needs you and Chelsea Wong believes in you.